You know what I'm going to have you use?
What,
Cut
Joe?
these. I've got a regular skill saw out in the car, but kaboom!
Kablamo, what is it? Oh, that looks dangerous.
You see that?
Oh, Joe.
It's battery operated too. It's a Ryobi, and it's just a little circular saw. That's what we're going to use.
Okay.
And you know what else I thought?
What?
Okay, for anybody out there who subscribes to Terry's channel, when we get done with this project, guess what she's going to do? She's going to pick a winner, and they are going to get this saw right here that we're going to use for this little project.
Wow, you're going to be lucky if I give it back.
Well, I hope you give it back. Now see, it doesn't come with the drill and stuff. This whole thing came with the drill, 2 batteries, and a charger. But I used the drill for something else. But look at this.
Wow, that's nice.
Isn't that kind of cool?
It is very cool.
I hope I got the blade in here. Oh yeah, it's here. Here's the blade.
Wow.
We're going to put that in there. And a lucky winner is going to get that. That's all you're going to get. We'll ship it to you, but you've got to be a subscriber to Terry's YouTube channel to get this. Even if you're on Facebook, nope, you got to be a subscriber to her YouTube channel, and we'll ship this out to you. And all you got to do is, if you have a battery pack, you know, you need a battery like this. This is an 18 volt, okay? And it's designed, you look at Ryobi, and it's designed to fit right in there.
Wow,
like
that's
that.
handy.
Okay? And it'll work. Now, the lithium batteries, they have lithium batteries now. This is not a lithium battery. I don't know if those fit in here or not. You just check at the hardware store, but if not, you probably got a battery like this somewhere at your house. If you don't, you can buy 2 of these batteries and a battery charger, and you'll be able to run this little baby. Okay? That, Terry, is what you're going to use to cut all these shelves. You ready for this?
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Okay. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, Joe, I'm getting all of the names ready for the drawing.
All right, you're cutting them out, and we're going to be naming a winner of some of your contests, aren't we?
Yes. Woohoo! This one right here is for the battery operated saw.
All right.
We have 12 contestants for it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, are you ready to do this?
Almost.
We're still testing the light, right?
Testing 1, 2, 3. You light up my life.
Drum roll.
Hi, Video Joe. You're alive.
Yes, I am alive. It's been a while, hasn't it?
It has been.
It's been too long. That's why we have to get this contest going.
I know, right? Those people are waiting for the drill and the saw.
Yeah, so hey, this is for the battery operated saw.
Okay,
We
so
have contestants in here, right?
right, we've cut the names, we put it in this boot. One of the
Okay.
moccasins I make.
Yes. Those are very awesome, by the way. You make those in a class here, don't
That's
you?
right. It's the
That's
Make a
right.
Mock class. Okay, Joe, you ready? You see
Yeah.
them all in
Okay,
there?
I see him. I see him. Pick one out. Oh, you want me to pick it?
Yeah.
Okay, do I have to close my eyes?
No.
Okay, I'm feeling them.
Right? These shoes weren't worn before, so it's clean in there.
Here it comes. This is the winner
Drum roll.
for the battery operated saw. Look at this. PaulOrient.com.
Hey, Paul. Woohoo!
All right, Paul.
Let's
Baby.
go!
Yeah. He's really good. He's got a good YouTube channel too, by the way. Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah, he sent me quite a few different messages, and I've been in contact with him back and forth. But that has no bearing on me
this
picking
was
him,
totally
does it?
random.
Because there is other people here, isn't there?
Right.
Look at this.
Yes, there are.
Okay,
Woohoo!
one take. Paul,
Okay, Paul, good job.
you get the battery operated saw. Way to go, man.
Okay, super. I love it. This is so much fun.
Yes, now get that saw out there for Paul. Paul, do you remember what that saw looks like? It's been a couple months since you've seen this.
Paul, we don't even charge for the extra dust that's still on it from cutting the shelves for my workshop.
Yes, and we're even including the blade. It's a carbide tip blade.
Right.
You can have that too. You have to have the Ryobi battery, okay?
Yeah, and you did say that.
That's right, I did. And it will fit a lithium battery too if you have that type, Paul. But if not, you can use the standard battery with the Ryobi. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Thanks again
for
entering the contest and for being a subscriber, subscribing to Terry's channel.
Yes.
That's nice of you.
Thanks, Paul.
And you know, if you have any Facebook friends, tell them about her channel, will you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.